2022 Kawasaki Vaquero. In order to get your grips off the end, they are reverse threaded. The caps are. Put a little rubber glove over it and go the opposite direction, they spin right off. I see everybody cutting their grips off and ripping them apart. All you need is a little compressed air in the end. Squeeze and twist, they'll pull right off. Look at that, already coming off. And you don't wreck nothing. All the videos show these Vaqueros have these really tough screws on top. But if you use an actual Japanese one, they fit perfect. That's why I use the Japanese industrial standard or whatever the hell it is. Actual Japanese screwdriver. And they come right off, no worries. Don't even strip. Once you got your controls loose with the 3 screws, go over here to these. They're just 6mm. Just use the T handle. They pop right off. They're not that hard. They get loose. Slide right off the bars. Same thing for this side. Slides right off. Now onto these. There's little black caps on there. I just used a little tiny micro screwdriver and pried the tops real gentle so as not to break them, cause any scratches. I'm going to reuse those if I have to, but I do have a billet cover coming for right there too. So anyways, ready to change the bars. Got to break these big bastards free, and new bars going on. Just a easy 8 Allen. These come right out, no worries. Just be careful because the bars will drop and you won't even know it. So I put a cover on my tank. I ain't buttoned up all the controls yet, but boy, oh boy, those mini apes look good. These handlebars fit perfect. They have knurls and they were pre-drilled for all the wire attachments. These were made specifically for this bike. The grips I got fit like a champ. I am really impressed. I did have to reroute the clutch cable and the brake cable. I put them under the triple tree. Instead of over, they were pulling pretty tight. Nice, dude. Stoked. That's a cool profile.